fix Spotify error code account 103 problem, first you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings, go to the search and type settings, click on it. Now once you're on your settings, you need to go with network and internet option. Once you click on network and internet, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need simply go with the left side and then go with proxy. And under proxy, you'll have an option of automatic detect settings. Automatically detect settings. You need to just simply go and turn off this setting. And if you have any manual proxy setup, you just need simply go and turn that off as well. After doing this step, you need to go with the Start button and search for Windows Security, or you can also click on Update and Security section, and from here you will find Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. Then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now go to the Firewall and Network Protection, and here you need to check the private internet or private network is on. If this is on, then just simply go and disable it. Click on Private Network and turn this off. After doing this step, you need to check the problem. If it still persists, then you need to try the next solution. Next is you need to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Sup button from your keyboard, and it will take you to the Task Manager. Once you're in your Task Manager here, you need to search for Spotify. If you find your Spotify right here, you need to right-click on it, and then you'll find an option of End Task. You need to just end the task. After closing, you need to restart your Spotify application and your problem may be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back, open up your browser that you use, go with the three dots which will be in the top, and then scroll down, go with Settings. From here, you need to go with Privacy and Security. Scroll down, go with Delete Browsing Data, click on it, and then you can select last hour or last 24 hours or last 7 days, whichever you're comfortable with, and go with Delete Data right here. After deleting your data, the problem will be fixed. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.